We have discussed about unit of current, what is current, what is electricity, what is charges. Any doubt, please get it clarified. What is charges? Direction of current is always in the direction of positive charges. Direction of current is always opposite to the direction of a flow of negative charges. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of positive charges? By losing electrons. Negative charges means by
Gaining
electrons.
electrons.
We have also discussed about radius of atoms, radius of nucleus. You all are aware about that. It is like keeping a football. Nucleus size is like putting a basket, not basketball, tennis ball in the field of cricket stadium. Yes or no?
Yes.
Circuit, open circuit,
Yes, sir.
closed circuit, we have discussed. What is cell, what is battery, which is positive charge, which is negative terminal, positive terminal, negative terminal, what is potential? Who will say what is potential? What is potential? Anyone? Potential simply is nothing but work done. How much we are doing work, positive work. So that much you will have, potential will be increasing. More you study, the more hard work you do with respect to study, more knowledge you will get. So your knowledge potential will increase. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Sir.
one child who is in grade 1, he doesn't know 2 ka table and he is working hard daily. In 10 days he has memorized table till 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now his knowledge has increased or decreased?
Increased.
Increase.
How it has increased? By working hard. Daily he is working. So which kind of an potential has increased? Knowledge potential, right?
Knowledge potential.
So potential means amount of work done. Whatever matter you take, that potential we say. Gravitational potential means amount of work done to bring a unit mass from infinity to the gravitational field. Okay, now one child, I have given one example. You may question, sir, he is not studying sincerely. So how his knowledge will increase? He is not studying sincerely, even though after 10 days he doesn't able to memorize even table of 2. So meaningful work is required. Huh? Simply,
Yes.
many students are there, simply they will open the book. Are they really working hard? No.
No.
Simply opening book will not give any result. You have to work hard to fix those things in your brain. है ना? So same way, gravitational potential or electric potential, you have to bring the particular either test charge or any mass from infinity to the particular field at that particular position you have to bring. That is called electric potential. We have also discussed how to find numerical part. 1 micron equals to 1 micro is how much? 10 raised to minus 6. All this question answer we have done. Properties of charges we have discussed. Like charges it will repel, similar charges it will be, unlike charges will attract each other.
Attract each other.
This part we had done, totally clarified. Like charges, a charge, unlike charges, the total charge of an isolated physical system is always conserved. Hope this point was clear. I had clarified each and every meaning. What is the meaning of total charge? What is the meaning of isolated system? What is the meaning of physical system? Conserved.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt,
No.
sir.
These things also we have discussed. Quantized means
It's
integral part. 1 electron, 2 electron. You cannot say, sir, I have 1.1 electron or 2.5 electron. No, it will be integral Integral means integer. Integer means 1, 2,
So whole
3,
numbers.
4, 5
Yeah.
like. Okay.
negative and power.
Okay, yes, sir.
In aeroplane, if we are
Negative
going,
and positive numbers.
yeah, in an aeroplane you are going, you are occupying one seat, so they are charging based on seat, not by the weight. Somebody is fat, so they will say you are fat, so you have to you will be charged as a 2 times airfare. It will be always calculated as an integer part. 1 person means 1. 2% means 2, not 1.1 or 1.2. Okay, beta. Direction of current we have discussed. Negative charges is flowing, so current will be in opposite direction. Positive charges flowing, same direction it will be. Is it clear? I think these questions also we have discussed. Homework we have.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Electric potential, those things is clear now. This percentage. Who has done more hard work? This person was relaxed. Okay? Percentage will speak who has done more hard work. Even if you are getting all India first rank means you have to decide daily, you have to do hard work.
Sir, you can
Not
do
improve
hard
your
work
potential.
even in cheating, sir, not in studying. Not only in
Nahi,
studying.
cheating nahi, I'm talking about sincere studies, not by cheating. If you by cheating you are getting first rank is having no meaning. No scope of discussion
Okay,
for
sir.
cheating part here. Any doubt? Please tell me. Potential difference we had discussed. What is the meaning of potential difference and all?
No doubt, sir.
This one can you say, sir? I was absent.
Okay, sir. Now I can see
Okay.
it.
So one formula is beta. We have discussed. Potential, electric potential is amount of work done to bring a unit charge in the test field. So actual formula is V equals to W by Q. Is it okay? Now question I am giving. If amount of work done to bring 5 microcoulomb in the electric field, EF means electric field, is 60 joule. Find electric potential. Find electric potential. Please reply, and parallelly I am solving that as well. I will give 20-second gap. Who is replying? Please reply now. Okay, Kavya has replied, and Kavya is right. How to solve? We know the formula. Above formula is there. V equals to W by Q. Now please understand better. W has been given 60 joule. This is work done. So first we will write it down. This is the formula you are aware. So first given part we will write. What is given? W has been given how much? 60 joule. Then charge has been given 5 microcoulomb, and microcoulomb immediately it has to be converted into coulomb. So 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. What is being asked? So these things you can write, and if you just try to correlate with this formula, there is a relation. V equals to W by Q, which is 60 by 5 into 10 raised to minus 6, which is nothing but 12 into 10 raised to 6 volt. So if you are working 60 joule to bring 5 microcoulomb in a test field, the potential will increase by 12 into 10 raised to 6, means 120 lakhs volt. How much volt? 120 lakhs voltage it will increase. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one more question. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Same thing if I say, if potential if the potential difference is 50 volt, then find the amount of work done to to make potential difference $60 if the charge Q is or charge is 5 coulomb. Your earlier potential difference, if initial, I can say, if initial potential difference is 50 volt, and from 50 volt you are going to make it 60 volt. So what would be the work done? How much you are going to do work so that from 50 it will become 60? Earlier potential difference was 50 and you are going to increase potential difference from 50 to 60. So you are going to work? Yes. So how much you are going to work? If the charge is 5 coulomb. Okay, I got reply as well. And I'm so happy with Pranav. Pranav is the one who has replied correctly. Other members have replied, but they are wrong actually. Pranav, and after that Mohit. Super beta, you have also replied correctly. Kavya, very good. I'm so happy. So these three members have replied correctly. Now what is happening? Please understand why these people have replied correctly. Your earlier potential was how much? Potential difference was say 50. And from 50 you are going to increase how much? From 50 to 60. So change how much you are going to create change? 60 minus 50. So delta V dash you have created from 50 to 60 is 10, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
And charge flowing is 5 coulomb. Everything is intact. Now work done is how much? Delta V into Q. Yes or no? 10 into 5, 50 jao. 50 jao. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Was it tough? Yes, the question was tricky because from 50 and 60 you have to subtract. So those things you have to keep in your mind and do those things. Next question. Acha, one more question I'm asking. Simple, practical oriented question. If I say this is one cell, this is another cell. This potential difference is say 5 volt and this cell is having potential difference of 1.5 volt. I am telling this is A, this is B. In which condition work would have been done more? In which condition work would have been done more? Option A or option B? Please reply me. Very good. Fastest answer is by Vivek, Akshara, Mohit, Kavya, Pranav, Bhargo, you are wrong. Bhumika, Dipshika, very good. Shreyan, wrong. More potential. See, potential has been here. Potential difference is 5 means more work would have been done here. This is potential difference, beta. Whenever we talk about cell or battery, this is called potential difference. So to create 5 volt, 5 difference, you have to work more. To create 1.5 volt, you have to work less. Now, for example, I'll tell you, for your case only. Let's say this is Bhargav. Bhargav, last year he got 80%. And this year he has to get 81%. One case, this is case 1. Another case, case 2. 80%.
Sir, I don't get that.
Wait,
I don't get that much bad marks.
no problem. From 80%, another case I told you have to get 95%. In which condition you have to work more?
2.
10
Naturally, where the difference is more. Where difference is more, you have to work more. So same way, here 5 volt. So more work has to be done in case A. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes,
sir.
Those who have replied option B, may please confirm, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
I am going to, this is a mock drill, I am going to check who has not responded. So there will be a bitter class for those who have not responded. So please find out who has not responded. I am just putting the name who has responded. Vivek, Akshara, Mohit, Kavya, Pranav, Bhargav, Bhumika, Dipshikha, Shreyan, Harini. Okay, remaining members have not responded. Quickly,
Sir, Ibrahim, I guess.
without I should take your name, you have to tell me the reason why you have not responded. Satvik, you have mentioned, sir, I was solving. Not accepted.
Sir,
If you are
I
solving,
guess
you should
Ibrahim-
Sir,
reply your
couldn't
ID.
score one.
Question is VA. There are two terminals, right? A and B. VA is 100 volt and cell voltage is 5 volt. Find VB. Please reply. Fastest answer is by Mohit and he is right. Bhargav second ranker. Pranav third ranker. Akshara wrong. No problem. Those who are making us, I will clarify. Kavya very good, fourth ranker. Shreyan wrong. Vivek wrong. Krishna Pranav wrong. Akshara wrong. Ritvik, no problem. Everyone must respond. You should not take more than 30 seconds. Deadline is 30 seconds. If you are unable to get, you have to reply right IDK. 30 seconds is the deadline for all of you.
Sir, I by mistakenly clicked the wrong answer, so now I send it once. Can you check?
Who is asking?
Sir, Vivek.
Vivek. Yeah, Vivek, you are right. Fine. So how to solve? Please understand, beta. I told this bigger bar is at a higher potential. This is called positive side. This part is called negative side. This is at higher potential. So it is as good as you are say first floor. This level is called second floor. Okay. If this height, if I say this height is 50 meter, so this height, if I am asking, and this gap is let's say 10 meter, what would be the height of this one? H dash will be how much? H dash will be, we are going to add, right?
60.
50 plus 10 is 60. So now here upper part has been given how much, beta? Upper part has been given so here what is happening, beta? This is at upper part, this is at heighted part. It has been given how much? VA has been given 100 and gap between that gap has been given how much? 5 volt. That delta V has been given 5 volt. So I am just plotting here. This is called upper part. Yes or no? This is called upper part. This has been given how much? 100 volt. And this gap has been given how much? 5 volt. What is being asked? It is being asked lower height, means this part is being asked. So how to solve? How to solve? Please tell me. Delta V equals to, can we say VA minus VB? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 equals
Yes,
to
sir.
100 minus VB. So VB will be how much? 95.
94.
If you are little bit smart, this is called solving, say BSc pattern, step by step solving. But if you are little bit smart, You can solve through your brain as well. It has been given 100 and 100 is at upper level. 5 below is how much? 95. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood beta, those who have mentioned IDK or those who have made mistakes? Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
one more question I'm giving. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this terminal I'm mentioning, this is A, this is B. Okay, beta. Now this time I'm saying VB is, let's say, 100 volt, and cell voltage is how much? 10 volt. Find VA. Please reply me. What would be VA? And fastest answer by Mohit. Super beta. Kavya, very good. Pranav, very good. Vivek, all right. Ritvik, right. Dipshikha, right. Akshara, wrong. Bhumika, right. Bhargav, right. Shreyan, right. Harini, no problem. Krishna, Pranav, wrong. Okay. Those who have made mistakes or those who have mentioned IDK, how to solve, please look at here beta. I have mentioned this is lower part and upper is higher part. Say this is A, this is B, okay? Lower height is how much? This has been given from here to here, 100 volt. And this gap has been given how much beta? 10 volt. So this overall will be how much? VB. Sorry, this is B, I have written ulta. This is A, this is B. So VA will be how much? Can we say 100 plus 10?
Yes, sir.
Through formula as well, delta V is how much? Bigger minus smaller, VA minus VB. Delta V is 10, VA is being asked, VB is 100. So if you send other side, it will become 110 volt. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I agree.
Krishna, Pranav, Harini and Akshara, have you understood beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have discussed about this units of potential difference. We have discussed conductors. You all are aware what is the meaning of conductor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Which
Yes,
drags
sir.
the electricity easily.
Which can pass the
Drag-
electricity easily.
Well, pass the-
How it is possible to pass? It will have
Free
free electrons. Anything conductor is there. Conductor, insulator, semiconductor means it should have a free electron. If there is a free electron, it can flow. If there is no free electron, it cannot flow. Yes or no? Now, for example, there is a tap, water tap. And if there is no water, you are not pouring water, will water come inside? So what makes a water tap to make it flowing? Water is needed. If there is no water, it will not flow. Yes or no?
Yes,
So if there is no charges, if there is no electron, how it will flow? It will not flow. That is called insulator. So more free electrons will make better conductor or good conductor. Is it clear for all of you? Now, for example, I'll tell you better. This is one conductor. This is another conductor. Both are conductor only. One is having 100 free electrons. How many? 100 free electrons. Another is having how many? 1000 free electrons. Same. Both conductor look like similar thing only. Which is better conductor? Which is good conductor? If I say this is A, this is B. Which is good conductor?
B.
Your answer should be B. Why? Because here it is 10,000 free electrons are there. In A, only 100 electrons are there. Another conductor, if I am making, same thing, exactly same to same. 0 free electron. There is no free electron. So this is called
Non-metal.
insulator. Is it clear for everyone, beta?
Yes, sir. Sir, but non-metal don't have free electrons.
Not necessary, beta. Non-metal also will have free electrons.
So, but they don't conduct electricity, right?
It may conduct electricity.
Okay. Yes.
Perfectly insulator you cannot find.
Yes, sir.
Perfectly insulator you cannot find.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then conductor insulator we have discussed. This is called switch on and switch off position. Hope it is clear for all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dynamic resistance. We will discuss about first resistance. Okay, beta. First we will try to discuss about resistance. How many of you are aware about resistance? How many of you are aware about resistance? Kavya alone?
Sir, I'm aware that the SI unit of resistance is ohm.
Ohm, very good. But what is resistance?
Written omega.
Yes, Kavya, please tell me.
So, like, it's not allowing electricity to pass through it.
See, electricity is nothing but flow of charge, right? Which will create a hurdle in the path of charges. Now, for example,
Sir, maybe it will slow down the flow of electric current.
yes, which will slow down or which will create hurdle. For example, any person is there. He is going on a straight road. There is no hurdle, smooth road. And other person is there. He has to go like this. Huh? He has to go 10 meter up, then come down, then go up, then come down. So, in which condition this
Sir,
person
imagine,
will, both the person will reach earlier? Both say place
Sir,
is
imagine the car dancing in the road, sir.
100 meter, and from here to here also it is 100 meter. Who will reach faster?
The first person.
The first
You're the
one.
first.
Sir, the
The
first
first
person,
person.
sir.
Person A will reach faster. So where hurdle is more, where hurdle is less?
Hurdle is more
In
in the
option
second.
B, hurdle is more. So this is called more resistance. Which is creating hurdle to the flow of a person. Here it is called less resistance. Means which will create less hurdle to the flow of the person. Same way for electrical resistance, if we are talking, means which will create a hurdle for the movement of the charges. If we talk about electrical resistance, means what, beta? Which will create hurdle for the movement of the electric charges, right? Or the charges. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now dynamic resistance. What is the meaning of dynamic resistance? Dynamic resistance means resistance is not fixed. It will be changing. It will be changing from time to time. That is called dynamic. It is not static. It is not fixed. Any doubt till now? And resistance unit. What is the unit of resistance? Ohm. OHM. And it is denoted like this. Ohm.
Sir, it's denoted as omega symbol.
Like this symbol. Ohm. And resistance is represented by capital R.
Sir, one thing I want to.
Now wait. Now if I say R1 equals to, if I say 5 ohm, and R2 if I say 50 ohm, which material you should purchase? The material which is having R1 5 ohm, or the material which is R2 is 50 ohm?
R2, sir.
If we want to slow down the flow of
Based on
electric
the
current, then we have
application,
to,
what is your requirement? Based on that you have to choose, right? For example,
Yes, sir.
during winter time you wanted to heat up, So for heating up, more resistance is required. So there you will be required more resistance. Where less heating is required, so less part you have to take. Yes. Fran, you are telling something.
Sir, that means I did not understand about the more. Means you draw the figure at the figure one, like the person in A and B. The person.
In A and B, if I talk about compare, where you are getting more hurdle?
In B only.
B.
Because
so that
it
is called
going-
more hurdle or more resistance.
Okay.
A less hurdle or less resistance. Hurdle is nothing but resistance. Okay, beta.
Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Now I got it, sir.
Now you got. Now R1 is 5 ohm, R2 is 50 ohm. Where hurdle will be more? R1 or R2?
R1, R2,
R2.
sir.
Very good. It's a very simple language, right?
So once, can you define resistance, sir?
Resistance is nothing but which will create a hurdle in the movement of the charges. Another way you can define R equals to V equals to IR. This is the formula. So R equals to how much? V by I. So ratio of potential upon current. Ratio of potential and current is called resistance. Now for example, this is my resistance. Resistance is denoted by this zigzag line. And here cell is connected now. This is 10 volt and current is passing 2 ampere. And if I am asking find resistance, R you have to find. So what is the formula? How to solve? I has been given 2 ampere, V has been given 10. So R is formula V by I. Yes, V is 10, I is 2.
Sir.
That is called 5. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Opposite to the hurdle, what is called? Conductor. Opposite to the hurdle is called conductance. Resistance ka ulta is called resistance. Opposite of resistance is called conductance, and conductance is denoted by capital G. So capital G is how much? Capital G equals to 1 by R. One by R. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Conductance equals to 1 upon resistance. So unit of conductance will be how much? 1 by unit of resistance is OHM. So just OHM का उल्टा करो, you'll get MHO. This is unit of conductance. What we can write? What we can say? Mho. Unit of conductance is Mho. Just ulta. OHM. Here it is MHO. Any doubt, beta?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
doubt, sir.
Very good.
No.
Okay. So remaining part we will be discussing tomorrow, and we will have quick recap whatever we have discussed today. Who will summarize?
Sir, can
Who
I?
will summarize?
Sir,
Yes, yes. Please tell me who will summarize.
sir,
Sir,
can I?
electric,
Okay.
Sir,
Shreyan, please summarize.
Sir, we discussed about electric potential, some questions we did for it, and we discussed about conductors and insulators, and we discussed about that ohm and resistance. Yeah,
That's all. Anybody else?
Sir, we discussed about electric potential. We discussed
potential,
about,
current, where it will be insulator, conductor, resistance, right? Dynamic resistance,
Dynamic
unit and
resistance
all.
and the ohm will learn. Dynamic resistance formula unit is mH.
Okay.